Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel designated all sorts of Mitsubishi stuff. Today we'll look at this. So we will be installing side moldings for the all-new 2023 PHEV. Now in this channel I've done a lot of accessory installs and a lot of side moldings on just the regular Outlander, the gas version that started 22 and now there's 23 models here, but this is first time we're going to be doing this video on PHEV, and PHEV side moldings are a little bit different. So we can see from here that they have these PHEV letters here instead of Outlander, and you have this blue outline, so blue letter here with this chrome outline. So it's a little bit different. You can still get those Outlander side moldings and put on the PHEV as well, so there's nothing wrong with that. But in this video we'll have a look at this. We'll install these PHEVs and then you can decide if you like these better or the other ones. You can purchase them, by the way, at my accessory site, mrmitsubishi.ca. I'll put that website link also in description of this video. And these accessories, these side moldings, you can get any color. So you can go, if you have silver, you can silver, gray, and etc. And also, if you want to do maybe two-tone thing, you can do that as well. So you can put these black ones on the white one and so forth. So in this video, we'll have a look at this, but moving forward in the channel, we'll be putting them on like all kinds of like situations. We'll put black ones on the white ones. So visually, you'll have a very good idea what the best looks is. So that's why if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because there's a lot more content to come in. So right now, let's proceed. So we will need masking tape to line them up properly, and then we'll just remove double-sided tape and off we go. So right now, what we did is this is a black color and we have a lot of like chrome things going on. So that's why we're gonna install these black ones to match, like, you know, these chrome lines that we have with everything else on the vehicle. I think the visual effect is gonna be very, very good. So right now, let's go and install. So first things first, we need to just line up these side moldings on the door, make sure we find the right placement and everything else. And once we've done that, then we put this on with the masking tape. So that way, whenever the time comes, we can just flip it over like this, remove this double-sided tape, and off we go. By the way, where the PHEV letters are, those are individually removable letters. So you'll have to remove it individually. So first things first, let's prep a little bit of masking tape. And make sure you clean the surface. I always use just a regular glass cleaner, seems to do the job. And whenever you install, make sure it's not too hot, not too cold. Right now it's a little bit too cold outside for normal circumstances, but we just brought this vehicle outside from the showroom, so the metal and everything else is still the right temperature, and it's not too cold anyway. So right now, let's have a look. Let's place it where exactly we want it to be. Luckily, we have a nice door line to follow, so it's very easy to understand. And then with masking tape, quite simple. We just put where we want it to be, like this. Don't rush, not a competition. Put it right here, and then here, and right here. So we always want to leave it a little bit of room for the door right here, so when we open the door, so that way it doesn't touch us right here. So we leave a little bit space right here. And take it back a little bit distance, make sure we like it where it is, how it looks. I'm very happy with what I see right here. Then the next thing is this. We flip it up like this. And with Outlander, side moldings is a little bit more complicated because more letters. But with this one, with PHEV, there's very few letters to remove. That's why let's remove them right away. And these side moldings, by the way, they fit on all vehicles. So if you decide that you want to get side moldings that says Outlander for your PHEV, nothing wrong with that. You can definitely do so. Okay, now carefully we flip it over. Okay. And now we put it back right on. Once we have the perfect spot, then we can put a little bit pressure on. Let it sit for a few days before you go through car washes and everything else. Otherwise, they're super durable. They stick on really, really nicely. Okay, this is done. Removing the masking tape. Remove this. And all these side moldings you can find on my mrmitsubishi.ca website. You can order directly from there. Free shipping to most places. So now we line up this chrome lookalike part. Same thing, don't rush. No need for masking tape here, but always just place it where you want it first, then remove the tape, and off we go. Okay. Always we want to take our time. There we go. Okay, same thing here. We just apply some pressure here. I have my fiberglass rug here on the thing on to clean it off. Okay, there we go. If we step back a little bit, we already can see the visual effect. And now let's go and install this part right here on the front door. So same thing here. We want to follow exactly the same line that we did on the other door, or doesn't matter which door you started first. You can always start the driver's door and then go on passenger. Again, masking tape is your best friend here. Okay, nice door line right here as well. Okay, so we're keeping exactly same gaps for the visual looks, right? So that way, oh, see, it went out of line a little bit. Let's measure it back. There we go. Now this, now this. Flip it over. Remove it. Carefully, take your time. Okay, line up nicely. Touch it a little bit once it's there. Awesome. And now same thing like on the passenger door. You need to put that chrome line on here as well. Okay, line up where you want to be. And off we go. Carefully, carefully. On this longer stretch, there's more room for error, so to speak, so that's why you need to take extra time. Okay. All right, there we go. Let's take a step back. I like it a lot. Look how nice it looks. It's body colored molding. We have this nice chrome lookalike line right here. Matches really nice with plug-in hybrid decal right here. With all the chrome lines that we have on a door, I like it a lot. I think it enhances the looks a lot. And these wheels, especially, you know, they have lots of aluminum on them. They're not 20-inch where you have those two-tone machined wheels. So you have these nice looking 18-inch wheels, and the side molding just finishes off nicely the entire side. So I love it. Very nice looks. I think it turned out great. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, you know, it's such a nice and easy do-it-yourself videos. I've sold many of those side moldings, and people seem to enjoy the process and end result. And I've seen them post those pictures on Facebook and other social media platforms. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I sure did. So thanks again, and on to the next video.